Hi guys, welcome to the video. Thank you so much. Today in this video I'm going to teach you on how to draw a nose in a very easy way. First of all, you need to draw these three circles followed by that small one in the middle, and then you can start putting up the shape of the nose. You draw the 2 points where you breathe, and then you can try to focus up on those circles. Try to put the shape of the nose through those circles that you have drawn so far, and then you will draw two lines which goes in the vertical way, going all the way up. So one to be on your left, another one has to be on your right. When they get on top, then you need to throw the other ones in the middle that will join from the circle that was in the middle. Then you put some shadows on it in sketches. You put some more sketch even in the middle of the nose. You need to put some sketches there so that it will look more realistic. Then from then, when you're done, you need to delete all the lines that you don't need anymore, and you take something soft like a tissue paper or anything that you have to start blending up the shadows. All those sketches, you need to blend them out so that they can match in the proper way. And as you can see, the art is coming up along. Then you go in the middle of your nose where you breathe. You need to put more shadows there and lay it up with something light so that it will look more realistic. And you'll have to do the same on the other side of the nose. Use the same method. You put some more dark shadows within the nose, and then you add some layer up on it so that you'll have a proper look. It will look more realistic. Now you have seen it how we get to draw a human nose. Okay, so down of that nose, it is another part which is very important. If you don't respect all these principles, the nose is not going to look good. Most of people fail because they don't want to respect all those things. So you need to draw that line in the middle of the nose, and also don't forget to add more shadows wherever you feel like it needs to be added. Give the nose a proper look so that you can really enjoy your art. I just wanted to share it with you. I hope this video is going to help someone to be able to draw a human nose. Thank you so much for watching. Watch out for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.